A pig is killed now, and here is removed. We are going to have a family party. Today I'm going to show you one of the culture of Bodo tribe living in northeastern state of India. Bodo people love to rear pigs at home, and they kill it when there is a party. In this video you will see how a pig is killed and how it is eaten by the Bodo people. This rearing pig at home and eating its meat, that is pork, is one of the culture of Bodo tribe. Now, before starting my video, I would like to say you one word. Please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed my channel, and please give thumbs up to my videos and share it to your friends, and please never forget to push the notification bell on. Now let's see the video without any delay. 나 둥카요 레디 가보시. Lugai holle. Ini thấy tàn thế là được vậy. In this way, the pig is killed and the meat is cut into pieces, and it is taken to the kitchen and it is cooked and eaten by them in the party and at home. Thanks for watching.